Interacting with Microsoft Copilot is only as powerful as the prompts that you're using. So in the next couple of minutes, I'll arm you with the tips and best practices you need to get the most out of AI by mastering the art of the prompt.
Talking to an AI assistant like Microsoft Copilot, you can't just treat it the same way you treat a traditional search engine. Ask yourself, are you trying to learn something? Are you trying to create something, summarize something, find something, explore something, catch up on something? In other words, what is your goal?
Be clear with your intentions. State what you'd like to achieve by the end of your interaction with Copilot. And if you need something specific, be specific. Here's what I mean. If my goal is to take these bullet points and turn them into a well-written paragraph for an email, I might be tempted to just prompt Copilot with, turn these bullets into a paragraph.
Not bad, but let me take my own advice and tell Copilot what my goal is and give it some specifics. Let's try this. I need to transform the bullet points listed below into an impressive email to send to my team at work. I kind of want to have the same tone as this other paragraph. Here's an example.
Whenever I see someone having a difficult time with the prompting, it can almost always be solved by explaining goals, adding context, recommending which sources to use, and offering some examples of your own expectations.
Defining your desired output is essential for prompting. And hey, if you don't know what the output should be, ask Copilot for some ideas. What are you looking for? Sentences, bullet points, tables, images? AI is capable of a variety of output styles.
Let's say you want text. Imagine the style, the format, structure, length, language, and other variables that would be best, and tell Copilot about what you want. The art of prompting is taken to another level when you're doing image generation. Be descriptive, color, style, composition, mood. Tell AI how you intend to use the image, and then let it try and match the image to that use case. Use references, visual styles, eras, popular artists. And then it's time to refine, refine, refine. Great artists rarely stop at the first draft. Continue refining your prompt until you get what you need.
Speaking of refining, things don't always go right. But here's my advice. If you don't have anything nice to say, don't say anything at all. No, I'm serious. Like, really, when things go wrong or unexpected, constructive criticism is really key. Instead of just pointing out what went wrong, suggest alternative responses, perspectives, or goals to get your conversation on track. Clearly identify where the response fell short and use examples to illustrate your point.
And don't forget, it's okay to start over. Sometimes an AI interaction can feel like you're repeating yourself and getting nowhere. Start fresh, start over. Copy your original prompt and rewrite it in a new conversation. Remove things that were misunderstood, add clarity and specificity, and try again.
Once you've mastered clarity and context, there's a next level tip I want you to try. Giving Copilot a character to embody. What would Einstein have to say about your calculus question? How would a Star Trek captain lead a cooking lesson? What would be SpongeBob SquarePants' pitch for a new product launch? What would that sound like? Tell AI who or what you'd like it to be before responding. Ask yourself, is there already a subject matter expert for your task? Maybe you could ask a version of that person. Authors, actors, historical figures, fictional beings, companies, brands, influencers, CEOs, politicians, any entity with a vast amount of public information about them. Some examples are in the style of, or pretend you're an esteemed so-and-so, or answer my next question as if you are blank, or how would blank explain the following thing?
Okay, we've covered quite a bit. To recap, goals, contexts, specificity, and expectations.
To fully master the art of the prompt, be an explorer, don't be a taskmaster. Take a moment to reflect on how you can apply these AI prompting techniques to your daily tasks. Try it right now and see what a difference it can make. Next time on AI Academy, it's time to dive into what makes Microsoft Copilot so special and how having an assistant built into Windows 11 can make a world of difference. Talk to you then.